Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about how you can make a proper study plan for your OET exam. Now most of us have this tendency of keeping our preparation towards the last minute, and it happens to be one of the favorite routines of most of the students. But do not commit this mistake for yourself, as it will cost you much. A proper and well-planned study plan will always help you in order to achieve a remarkable score. Now we know each and every individual have their own way of learning, therefore study plan greatly differs from one person to other person. But one thing to be noticed is that however your study plan might be, it should be well understood and comprehended when you revisit that particular study plan. Now in the case of OET, during the initial 2 to 3 days, you can focus upon the recurrent mistakes you are to commit. For example, the mistakes you commit often. So the first step is try to improve your existing mistakes. And always make it a point to practice at least 2 questions from each and every module so that you have an overview about the examination. In the case of writing section, make it a point to correct the writing for yourself first and later seek the assistance of a trained tutor, so that you will be able to recognize your mistakes much better. And in the case of speaking section, try to practice as much varieties of case notes are provided so that you can speak well. Always make it a point, in order to boost your confidence, to talk in front of a mirror so that you yourself can understand your presentation skills better. And towards the end, always keep track of how many questions you have solved, how many varieties of questions you have solved. That means you should keep a checklist of what type of questions and how many questions you have solved so far, so that you can reassure yourself which level you have reached in your preparation. And always make it a point to never regret about all those mistakes which you commit during your preparation, because it is through mistakes that you can always succeed in your life. So always remember to prepare a well and organized study plan for whichever exam you're appearing for. Thank you.